Nothing Phone 2A is a great mid-range device I've been reviewing for a while now. I recently took it to a trip to Crete, but unfortunately I cracked my pre-applied screen protector when I put it in a bag and it was smashed with something heavy. Luckily, when I initially got the phone, I ordered it with the official case as well as the official screen protector. So today we can unbox it and try it out. The screen protector I got is a tampered glass one, which means that it provides superior protection against scratches and impacts, ensuring your phone remains intact even after accidental drops. The official one does come at a premium though, it costs £19 and it's just a single screen protector. If you want a cheaper one, you can find plenty on Amazon, for example a JE Tech one, which costs just £7 and comes with 3 screen protectors. However, make sure you get all the accessories you need if you go for a cheaper one. Let's check what we get in the official product. The box is made of cardboard with Nothing's iconic dot matrix font, confirming it's for the 2A device. There's a bit of information on the back, but nothing too interesting, so let's just open it. Luckily, the red sticker, reminiscent of Nothing's branding, comes off easily. Inside we get the applicator kit, starting with the applicator frame, which will help keep the phone in place and align the screen protector with the screen. The rest of the accessories are in the cardboard envelope, which actually doubles as the instructions manual. I have to say it's a great idea. Instead of printing out the separate booklet or page, they just reused something they would have included anyway. Great job, Nothing. The instructions will come in handy later on. There's also a wee plastic bag where you can find a couple of extras. First, there's a dust removal sticker, which is really helpful for removing specks of dust. We'll use it later. And then there's a microfiber cloth, which is helpful for cleaning the screen and removing grease, etc. This one comes with the Nothing embossing as well, looks great. And finally, we have the screen protector itself. Again, it comes with some nice branding and the note to rescan your fingerprints after replacing the screen protector, which we'll do later. Overall, we get the microfiber cloth, the screen protector itself, the applicator frame, and the dust removal sticker, which is all we should need. So let's go ahead and replace the damaged screen protector. To start with, you should definitely wash your hands to ensure they're not greasy and don't introduce extra dirt to the screen protector. Some people actually recommend replacing the screen protector in a bathroom after running the shower for a few minutes, as it helps get rid of any dust particles in the air. I actually experienced this problem while installing, so were I not filming this video, I'd probably be installing it near the shower. First, I had to remove the old screen protector. My initial idea was to use a guitar pick, but it was too thick, so it didn't really work. I also tried a paper business card, but it was too soft and didn't really work. I then took the screen protector itself in the packaging, and it helped a bit removing the corner, but I ended up changing my mind and went with the car key card, which is an equivalent of a credit card, which is the solution that's usually recommended for this task. It worked great for me. I was a bit worried that the crack was actually on the screen, but I was really happy to see that there were no scratches underneath the screen protector, which confirms that it's always worth having one. Now that the old one is removed, let's clean the screen up a bit with a microfiber cloth. There's always a bit of dust in the air, so make sure to not spend the rest of eternity trying to clean it as it gets dirty again. Let's then put the phone on an even surface and put the frame on top of it, and clean the screen up again. Next, I removed the cover from the screen protector, but what I actually should have done is to clean the back of it, as it would have been easier to do. I then tried the protector on and noticed some dirt, so I did another cleanup. Spoiler alert, I unfortunately missed a bigger piece of dust on the screen, which you can see now. So we'll have to deal with that soon. And there was some dust at the bottom corner of the screen protector as well. Following the instructions, I aligned the right hand side of the screen and put it on the screen, and the protector attached itself to the screen. Please excuse my hair in the view, I was focusing on getting it sorted properly. I then tried to get rid of the air bubbles with my fingers and managed to get most of them, except for one in the corner. But then I noticed a speck of dust and I couldn't get rid of it, unfortunately, and I couldn't unsee it either. So I decided to try and lift the protector using my keycard and clean it up. I did it carefully to not break it, as it was the only one I had. I tried removing the dust while it was still attached to the phone, but I ended up removing it altogether a moment later. I tried cleaning it up from both sides using the microfiber, but it wasn't enough, so I took the dust removal sticker, removed part of the cover, and cleaned the screen protector properly this time. Let's clean the screen again though, and reapply the screen protector again. You should see how it darkens and the air bubbles disappear. After applying it, there were a few tiny specks of dust, but mostly just on the sides, so I wasn't as bothered. I used the sticker as well, and I think it improved a bit, so it worked out quite well and much better than before. Overall, I'm really happy with the official screen protector from Nothing. Application was quite easy, and I have to admit I'd not done it too many times in the past, so the fact that I was able to make it work with minimal issues is a testament to that. The alignment frame was super helpful as well, so I'd highly recommend getting a kit including it for your device. The fingerprint scanner still worked fine even without rescanning, but I ended up following the recommendation and rescanned both my thumbs, and it works fine. No problems with the quality at all, I haven't noticed any issues, and I hope it will keep the phone safe going forward. Then again, it also reinforces my preference to use flip cases, and the Nothing Phone 2a is one of the few phones where I don't use a flip case. Speaking of which, there's no issues with using the screen protector with different cases, so that should be fine as well. It's up to you if you want to go with the original or just buy a different one from Amazon or AliExpress, but make sure to check what's included, as this kit is quite complete. The only downside, other than the price, was the inclusion of just a single screen protector. Adding a spare one would have been great. Hope you found this video helpful. We'll continue with a number of Nothing Phone 2a videos, so if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so to not miss our future videos. If you found it useful, please leave us a like. But for now, thanks for watching.